you don't like a piece, scrape it, and let's hope I can do some more magic with this. Not worrying about the sides at all. Squeeze of white. Bear with me. Now my mini dryer, it's called a Babyliss. It's a travel dryer, I found it in a charity shop, so I can't find them anymore. Let's go for it.
I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Oh, what am I doing? I thought that was my white. Oh my gosh, that was my Floetrol. Silly Gilly. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. Let's go for this. I'm about burning off my little dryer. I hope it's not giving up the ghost. I want to keep this sort of more that way. So this is Sahara. Burnt sienna with silver. Burnt umber. Oh, yeah. Creamy colour. And to really pop the socks, I'm going to add my Berry Delicious colour. Now let's see what I can do with this. I don't mind there being that there, that's absolutely fine. It doesn't have to all be the same.
Talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new.
Oh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. I think that could do with just a little balloon kiss in the centre to add the definition. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that on my paper. Can always cut them out for use afterwards. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's a winner. Chicken dinner. I'm going to use my little skewer. Oh, love that. It's going to give it a spin, but I think that's absolutely okay like that. I'll bring you down, have a little look-see. Look at that. And my Berry Delicious in there absolutely is the shiner in there. It's beautiful. Look at that. Risers, trousers. I love it. So there you go. When you think you haven't got something you like and you scrape it all into the center, you blow it out just like I did, and then you do this bloom in there. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Hope that you loved it too. just at the end of my day in the art room.
Go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two elbows. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two elbows. I like to see the shape you're in from time